It's the clash of all-season titans. In one corner, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2, Europe's trusted champion. In the other, the BFGoodrich Advantage All Season, a value-packed contender backed by Michelin engineering. Let's find out which tyre really earns the crown. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Autobuild's 2024 all-season tyre test. In wet braking, Continental pulls ahead, stopping 5.4 meters shorter than the BFGoodrich, a 9% advantage. Through wet lap times, it's also 6% quicker. But BFGoodrich edges out with a win in straight-line aquaplaning by 3%, a strong wet performance from Continental overall. On snow, the BFGoodrich stops 0.6 meters shorter, a 3% lead in braking, and delivers 3% stronger traction. Continental regains the ground in snow handling, finishing 1 second faster, a 2% advantage. A close fight in snow, with BFGoodrich slightly ahead in braking and traction. Mileage is nearly identical, both around 49,400 km. But BFGoodrich shows 30% less abrasion, thanks to its efficient Michelin-derived compound. Lower abrasion doesn't just mean longer tread life, it also means fewer microplastic particles released into the environment, making BFGoodrich a more eco-conscious choice. That's long-lasting value. On dry pavement, BFGoodrich stops 1.1 meters shorter than Continental, a 3% improvement in braking. In handling, it also finishes 1.9 km per hour faster, around 2% better. Noise levels are nearly the same, but Continental holds a 2% edge in rolling resistance, giving you a better fuel efficiency over the long haul. When it comes to prices, in the 225/50 R17 size, the BFGoodrich is 17% cheaper than the Continental, great for value-conscious drivers. In summary, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 excels in wet safety and fuel-saving efficiency. On the other hand, the BFGoodrich Advantage All Season offers impressive dry and snow grip with lower abrasion and cost.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.